we all know, right? The data revolution has really changed how we use data, how we access it. And COVID-19 basically put it on steroids. I mean, I'm home now and I have nowhere to hide, right? Because of Zoom and all that. So I can't even shirk work anymore. Now, all of this kind of made us realize we need to also think about data systems differently. There's the physicist Max Planck who said, when you look at something differently, your understanding of it also changes. So we kind of looked at what Paris 21 is doing, OECD is doing, our colleagues within the bank are doing, and kind of looked at statistical performance in a new way. And kind of we developed the statistical performance indicators. And we tried to offer a framework that is forward-looking. So it measures the entire national statistical system, not just the national statistical offices. So, and all the actors kind of who produce statistics are in the framework. And we also place a strong emphasis on measuring all countries, less advanced ones as opposed to more advanced ones. And one of the things is that transparency, right? I mean, I am part of the open data team at the bank. So we also made this open data, open code. So you can replicate everything. And this, I think, is very important in building trust in systems. And we took all of this effort so that to kind of incentivize countries and donors to kind of think about how to improve their statistical performance. And there are 5 concepts here. Number 1 is data use. Again, we all know that is important. If you don't use it, what's its use? And then secondly, it's also, we have 5 pillars. The first pillar was data use. The second one is data services, like what the producers are offering, trusted data, right? Only then is data going to be used. So that's the second pillar of SPI. Now, the interaction between kind of this demand and supply determines what you produce. So data production is the third pillar of SPI, and but you can't produce something out of thin air, right? There is the Latin quote, and I'll read it out so that I don't botch it. Ex nihilo nihil fit. Out of nothing comes nothing. And this is something that is lost on nobody, right? I mean, that's why we have put in a lot of time on producing data sources, censuses, admin data, and so on and everything, right? But finally, to deliver on all these 4 things, use of data, good data services, data production, and data sources, you need a good infrastructure, right? And you need financing, but you also need hard infrastructure, laws and so on in place, as well as skills and so on, the soft infrastructure.